All the experts say it's the only defense against a sea bear attack.
You guys are so gullible. See? I did everything that attracts a sea bear, and nothing happened. If sea...
Need a little help? We got help. Need some advice? We got advice. No matter what you need, we have thousands of professional parts people doing their part to make sure you have it. Exceptional customer service. Just one part that makes O'Reilly stand apart. The professional parts people.
O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Empire's low price guarantee you'll get quality carpet, hardwood, and laminate at a great price. We'll beat any competitive offer guaranteed. Schedule now.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
Meow 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 meow.
New Meow Mix Tender Centers. A crunchy outside, a meaty inside, and the tasty flavors of white meat chicken and salmon. It's two textures and flavors in perfect harmony. New Meow Mix Tender Centers. Cats ask for it by name.
Meow.
Comedy yourself with the Nick, Cheesy, Sylvie, and SpongeBob Show Seasons 1 through 3 available today on DVD, including an all-new 30 episodes from Seasons 1 through 3, plus 2 bonus episodes of the YouTube Peak 2009 and Friends Show. The Nick, Cheesy, Sylvie, and SpongeBob Show Seasons 1 through 3 is available today on DVD, and catch the Nick, Cheesy, Sylvie, and SpongeBob Show weekdays on Nickelodeon.
Tum-ta-tum-tum-tums.
Launch us when I give you the word.
On your word, brother.
I can't wait for you guys to see outside.
I hear outside is beautiful.
From who?
The lady.
It's beautiful outside. Jamie, go out.
I'm trepidatious.
Triple what?
It means scared.
Dude, nice word.
Did he say word?
What happens next? You can decide at goldfishfun.com.
The snack that smiles back.
Goldfish.
In the nation, we know how you feel about your car. So when coverage really counts, count on Nationwide Insurance. Because what's precious to you is precious to us. Just another way we put members first. Because we don't have shareholders. Join the nation.
Nationwide is on your side.
Skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby?